So we're back here at Angkin Lim, and today I promised I'd come and get that salted chicken because yesterday we were out, it was a little bit too hot. Thank you, man. That's beautiful. Angkin Lim. Thank you. So it's 30 ringgit for one whole chicken. This is a whole chicken, yes? Yeah. And you put some spices inside. Yes. Herbal. Herbal. You know what? You know the names?
T-O-N-G.
Tong.
K-W-A-I.
Quai.
Yeah.
Tong Quai.
Yeah.
Tong Quai. So inside you put the Tong Quai.
Yes.
Just Tong Quai.
Tong Quai and it's a bit salt.
So is Tong Quai, do you know the English name for Tong Quai?
Actually, it don't have the English because it's like a ginseng of ginseng.
Like ginseng?
But it no taste like ginseng.
Ah, okay, because
This one is good, healthy for our blood.
So it's like ginseng, but do you put it inside the chicken in the cavity?
Inside the chicken.
A lot or a little?
No, just a few pieces.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
How many years have you been here? 87.
Almost 35 years.
Yeah. The herb that they're putting in here is similar. I don't fully understand, but they were saying about ginseng, which is a healthy, sort of heats the body through, makes everything really healthy, and that's inside the chicken. We're about to find out. I've never had this before. I've been to Ipoh a couple of times. I never had a chance to get one of these salt chickens, so we're really stoked today that we're going to get to try this.
Honey, 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 honey.
Lovely lady is saying when you unwrap it, the salt, the smells of the salt, and it's hard to actually describe. You have to be here. There's a sort of almost a sweet, savoury smell.
Because the smelly is there, then.
Wow, why that's beautiful. So just come in here.
You enjoy it. See.
I can try?
Yeah, you can try it. Free for you.
Oh, thank you.
Can
You're
try
so
it.
sweet.
If you don't try, you don't.
Look at this beautiful chicken. So the herb, the name of the herb again?
Tong Quai. Tong Quai.
Tong Quai.
Yeah.
Like tong, like sugar. Tong.
Yeah.
Tong Quai.
Yeah, move.
So it has the Tong Quai inside. Look at that chicken.
Haven't cooked yet.
Tong Quai.
Yeah, inside it still have.
So Tong Quai is like a root, like a.
Yeah.
It's got a little of the colour, but the smell coming off here now is really unusual. Let me just turn the chicken around and see it, how it lays like a little cocoon state. Oh, I don't know where to try. Let's take one of these lovely succulent legs here.
Turn
That way. You know how to do this.
Tong Quai here.
Here's the Tong Quai.
Yeah.
Here's the Tong Quai. Can you eat this?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, so this is the really hot Tong Quai that's inside. Oh, that's delicious. That's beautiful.
For the taste,
Yeah,
sweet and
almost like a celery taste.
Yeah.
Like celeriac. It's a unusual flavour. Thank you. Even here you can see this is the Tong Quai. Wow, that is a really, really unusual tasting. We're so lucky. We bought one of these and they've given me one as well. So we've got loads of chicken for today. We're so blessed. That is the most succulent chicken I think I've ever tasted. It's a little bit of salt, not heavy. You wouldn't say this is salty, but you can definitely taste. Now the skin on this is not crunchy. It's a very soft, moist skin, but I suspect it's packed full of flavour. Oh, man, that is so delicious. Why did we not have this last time we were here, Michelle? Amazing chicken. So succulent. So soft and succulent. Very good, huh? Whole sick. Whole sick. I'm sticky with chicken fat. Let's try the breast meat. Quite commonly, breast meat tends to be a little bit dry. I'm going to pull some of that breast meat off. You can see this is not dry. Look how soft and moist this is. I'm covered in chicken fat. Oh. No. It's moist. It's got that little saltiness and the herbal flavours coming through. That is delicious. If you come to Ipoh, you have to get yourself down to this place and just buy one or two. You know, you could easily eat a whole chicken like this. So Michelle and I, we've got 2 chickens. That's a chicken each. How would you take the wing?
Okay, you take the
You
wing.
show me your technique.
You just hold, then you put behind also.
Okay.
Okay, you hold here.
Yeah.
Then you pull.
Ah, pull from here.
Hold here.
Okay. Pull from underneath.
Then just pull behind.
She's a professional. Knows exactly how to do it.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
It's delicious. Oh, around the wing. Now there I'm getting really the dong. Ah, look, there's a load of dong quai behind the wing. Look, 2 or 3 pieces. You put the dong quai behind the wing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here got wing inside.
The
And the
dong quai.
stomach inside also got dong quai.
Ah, okay. That gives the flavor, right? It's so
Yeah.
delicious.
This chicken you can eat without anything. Just eat like that.
Mm.
No rice, no bread also can. This chicken is no oil at all because it's a kampong chicken. Means it's this chicken is run the way around.
Country. Kampong is like the country
Village,
or
village.
nat village
Yeah.
village chicken.
Yeah.
So natural. So it's quite a small size chicken,
Yes.
but very not with hormones. They're not putting chemicals into the chicken.
Yes.
Natural
yes.
growth.
Yes.
Kampong chicken.
Kampong
Kampong guy.
Yeah, kampong is village chicken.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like kampong durian also. huh?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
right.
okay, village durian. Thank you. She was just explaining that this is like village chicken, like kampong chicken. So the chicken is running around. It's not sort of like a battery chicken. So it's got more flavour. Like a free range chicken. You don't need anything with this. You don't need any rice, any bread. The chicken is so delicious. So delicious. I'm converted. Oh, I've just come to the wishbone. You got the wish, Michelle, but I think we're both wishing the same thing, that we could buy this chicken back home in Melbourne. It's so delicious. This lovely lady, Quai, gave us a sample of the chicken, and I'm so stoked. It's just beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Ông
you.
gọi sao? You say ông gọi sao or do chè lê or
多謝你.
do chè lê? I made a wish. I hope one day you come to Melbourne.
Okay. I hope so. Okay.
Ordinarily, I think, oh, now I've now got 2 chickens, but in many ways, I'm quite excited we've got a second chicken because this will stay hot for a good hour or more. It's all wrapped up. So later tonight, quite excited because we're actually going to a little street food area where I'm going to get something lovely and sweet to share with you all. Michelle, that was fun, wasn't it?
Fun and delicious. So
Was
delicious. Yes.
Better than I'd expected.
Yeah.
Sugar, red sugar.
Red sugar, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, this one is for me. What can go wrong? This is nicer than any ice cream I've had in a long time. It's so delicious. Mm.